I am Jason Glodt. I am an attorney at Gunderson Palmer Nelson Ashmore. I've been an attorney for 21 years now, starting back in 2000 when I was an assistant attorney general in the Office of Attorney General. I've been a registered lobbyist for over 15 years now. I've worked in Governor Rounds' office when he was governor. I served as his senior advisor for 6 years and legal counsel, and part of that was lobbying in the legislature. Also worked for Governor Daugaard as a senior advisor and legal counsel. And after working for government as a lobbyist, transitioned into the private sector representing private interests in companies across the state. I joined Gunderson Palmer because with Gunderson Palmer, it's not just one lawyer that you're hiring an entire team. It's one of the best teams in the entire state. Lobbying is essentially influencing legislation. And sometimes the current law doesn't work for people, and people need help beyond what the current law will allow them to do. They may need a new law or legislation passed. They may need an existing law amended or changed. And even legislation can be introduced at first that may not be adversarial to your interest, but it only takes one simple amendment to make it adversarial to your interests. So it makes it all that much more important to have somebody looking out for you and being your watchdog and peer. A good lobbyist will make sure that a bad bill or bad legislation never gets filed to begin with. They'll have it defeated before it's even filed. I've spent a lot of time lobbying against regulations and laws that would be harmful or burdensome to business. Most businesses just want to be left alone. They want to be able to work and do their job and have government leave them alone. I've done a lot of work now in the private sector with government affairs because of the relationships that I have been able to build over the last couple of decades. And to be effective, you have to have those relationships and that trust. When it comes down to it, at the end of the day, it's all about obtaining results. Whether it's passing legislation or defeating legislation or getting legislation amended. What I find most interesting in being a lawyer is the ability to help people every day and get results for them.